Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to set up goals on Monday.com. So, if you want to work on a board which would include goals in it, and I would say goals for a company are very important. So, you should always have a board in which you would have your company goals and how much of them are accomplished and what are the monthly goals and stuff. So, in order to do that, just follow this video and follow my steps, and you will be good to go. So, the first thing that you need to do is you have to log in yourself on Monday.com. And once when you logged in, you can see you'll be redirected to the home page and you'll have this workspace column right here. You're going to click on this plus icon, and then you need to go to board and then start with template. Here, you need to write action plan, and this will be, I would say, our template. It will actually be created for us by Monday.com. And you can see how amazing service that is, that you're going to get a template, a custom made template just for uh, you. So you don't have to create anything from the scratch. It will already be there for you. So you can just see the screenshots here, and you can see that this action plan template breaks down goals into action steps, which are very important, that can be prioritized, assigned, ownership, and track for the progress. So this is absolutely the best thing that you can do in order to make a board in which you are talking about your goals and stuff. So we're going to click here on use template and let Monday.com do the magic for us. Here you go. So you can see this goals template has been created for us, and we can add our goals right here. There are some templates which are already there. Explore online tool option. Now this can be a goal. Website UI review. This can be a goal, and you can also add a goal of your own. Finish uh, 40 videos. Now, for example, this is your goal for the month of January, and you can also assign an owner to it, that who's gonna do all this stuff, and then you can write notes as well, like edit uh, in uh, Premiere Pro. So we can write edit in Premiere Pro PP and desired outcomes as well, like finish 40 videos, finish editing 40 videos. So this is the desired outcome. We've also written this, and we can also assign status to it, like is somebody working on it, or is the goal achieved, or if you need support on it. Wow, how detailed it is. I'm truly amazed. Working on it, and we can also set the priority. Is it something of high priority, low priority, or just a random, I would say, job or a random goal. And you can also write stakeholders to this goal, and you can also set timeline and the progress as well. What's the progress? You can also set it right up, and the due date too. So this is, our goals for January. Similarly, we can add monthly goals as well, goal for February, and then we can add groups, and, we can write here March goals and stuff like that. So this is how you actually uh, plan goals on Monday.com. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.